Here's a short little video of the struggle I had trying to get this Nextion display to work with my PIC circuit for this DC load project I'm working on. The trouble I was having is getting the PIC code, the compiler, to work with the instructions that the Nextion display needed, and it took a bit of doing. The big DC load project isn't finished yet, and I'll upload a complete video on it later. So here we go. I'm slowly turning up the current draw on the DC load. This is pulling power off the old Kenwood power supply, which is only good for about 20 amps, so you'll see it go into current limiting and the voltage drop off here shortly. The Kenwood power supply just packed it in and dropped the voltage to 0. This is just a test for the new display here, so I'm not going to bother hooking it up to a big battery to pull some real heavy current. I just switched the display over to the second page, they call it, to show the individual currents of each MOSFET circuit. Here, I just readjusted the camera so you can get a better look at the Nextion display. So I'm pulling about 16 amps, and I flip over to the second page, and you can see each individual MOSFET circuit pulling roughly 4 and a little bit current. And it's calculated to give me the total current on the first page. I'll play with this on and off here a little bit, and you'll see how it all works. And I drop it back to 0. 3 days of torture, but I finally got this little display working, and it's a sweetheart. I really like it. This little display is amazing. It programs just like Visual Basic 6 does, so it's right up my alley. This is just a preliminary test, so now to get circuits cleaned up and add some more goodies to it. It's also a touch screen, so I'm going to be able to maybe have it turn the fan on and off by touching a button on the screen. Lots of fun.